Hello, what's up, guys? It's Scalle Guitar, and in this video, I'll be teaching you how to connect your pentatonics to run through your fretboard. Rather than just being stuck here, you can play like this. So imagine being able to run through your fretboard. I know that's like that's having a good feeling, like okay, you're making use of your guitar rather than being just stuck there. So first of all, you have to like know all your shapes of pentatonic, and if you don't know that, then you have to check out videos about how to connect your shapes of pentatonic. And if you would like me to make a video about that, let me know in the comment section and I'll make that. So first of all, you need to know how to play this shape, and you have to know this shape. Everybody knows this shape. You also have to know this shape. You have to know this shape and this. So how do we connect this? First of all, I'm starting out at the third fret on the A string. So I'll play like the A, third fret, A string, and hammer on the fifth, and slide onto the seventh. So it's, get it? So it's, then I head into this part of the pentatonic. You know this pentatonic shape? So what I'm doing is I'm connecting this to this. So what I'm doing is, so from here, I slide in. So let's start from the the low E string. So we start from third fret, hammer on the fifth, go to the A string, third fret, hammer on the fifth, slide into the seventh, play the fifth on the D string, hammer on the seventh on the same D string, play the fifth on the G string, hammer on the seventh on the G string, slide onto 9, and play the 8 on the B string, and hammer on the 10, play the 9, yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, play the 8 on the high E string, hammer on the 10, slide into the 12. So that's just it. So if you're able to connect this, then it will be so like kind of easy for you to make use and be flexible with your pentatonic rather than being stuck here. You can do this. Sounds beautiful, right? So let's try this with the chord progression and see how it sounds. I'm just trying to loop this now. Your regular pentatonic. So you can try many other things like repeating the lines or going up and down. So like So let me pause this loop. So the same thing I did here, I can also do it here. So this is quite easy. Yeah? So what we are doing is, so after every so once you hear the second note, which is your 2 or your re, you know you are going with the slide. So this is the root, this is the second, which is your re, you go with the slide. Do, re, slide, do, re, slide, do, re, slide. So let me just give you the numbers if it's kind of difficult for you to get that. So we're right here on the 8th fret, high E string. I am low E string, sorry, 8th fret. So it's 8, 10, slide to 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, slide to 14, yeah. So go 12, 14, 13, 15, slide to 17. So it's let me do this slowly so you can see. So guys, this is how you can connect your pentatonics with this shape, and it works on all keys. So all you have to do is find the root note and apply the same thing. And hope this video was useful to you. If it was, do also hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you get notified when I make new videos, and see you in the next videos. Bye. Peace out.